Breaking legal news, Trump's appeal plans amidst $83 million loss. In a recent episode of The Legal Breakdown, host Brian discussed the aftermath of Donald Trump's substantial loss of $83 million in the E. Jean Carroll case. Brian's guest, Glenn, provided insights into the unfolding situation, shedding light on Trump's legal strategy and the potential implications for his legal team. The saga unfolded as Trump took to social media, stating that he and his team were in the process of interviewing various law firms for the appeal. However, Brian highlighted that Trump's post also hinted at a potential parting of ways with Alina Habba. The host speculated on the possibility of Trump unceremoniously severing ties with Habba, a move consistent with his past tendencies to announce decisions via tweets or posts. The discussion delved into the contrast between the outcomes of the two defamation trials involving Trump. The first trial, where Joey Tacopina served as lead counsel and Trump avoided the courtroom, resulted in a $5 million judgment. In contrast, the second trial, where Alina Habba led the case and Trump actively participated in court, ended with a staggering $83 million in damages awarded against him. Brian pondered the strategic choices made by Trump, highlighting that he had retained Tacopina for the appeal following the first trial loss. However, the situation seemed different with Habba, raising questions about Trump's confidence in her leading the appeal team. The conversation also explored the common practice of defendants seeking new attorneys for appeals, emphasizing the distinct skill sets required for trial and appellate lawyers. Brian acknowledged that Trump's decision to retain Tacopina for the appeal after the first trial suggested a willingness to keep attorneys he favored. The host expressed bewilderment at the prospect of any law firm or lawyer willingly taking on Trump as a client at this point, considering Trump's track record of legal losses and reputation for not paying his legal fees. The discussion raised doubts about the appeal's attractiveness for potential legal representation. In addressing the financial implications, Brian highlighted the challenge Trump faced in securing the $83 million required for the appeal. Unlike the first trial, where he paid the entire $5 million judgment up front, the larger sum presented a significant financial burden. The episode speculated on the difficulty Trump might encounter in finding a bondsman willing to vouch for him, considering the magnitude of the judgment. The discussion concluded by suggesting that Trump's financial situation could become increasingly precarious, especially with another significant judgment pending. As the legal drama unfolds, The Legal Breakdown promised to stay on top of developments, urging